2 days is here a little bit muscle kind of stress.
I
But
see.
that's normal. I just want to prevent. It's not.
I see.
Because before it never bothered me. I was proud of myself as I had really good spine. But
Okay.
right now it's starting to bother me.
I see.
And
Okay.
like for example, like a week ago when I go to the mall, I used to go shopping for like 5 or 6 hours, no problem. But last time after I shopping like 3 hours, my it's really getting pain from my back.
Okay, I see. Okay, whole body move that way a little bit. Okay, good. Okay. So this was if you open mouth, so you need open mouth. Open mouth, look straight, don't move. Yeah, yeah, okay. Whole body move that way a little bit. Too much. Okay. Okay, keep in this position, okay? Until low back is working in this position. Good, okay. Step to the left until you touch the ball, okay? Good, okay? Yes. Stay here, don't move. Like, wait. Make sure, like, stay here. Yeah, stay here, don't move. For treatment, like you have 1 to 2 bone spur, so all this you will become more bone spur.
What caused that?
You mentioned in front of computer like for 10 hour, 11 hours.
Just look always like this.
Yeah, you put stress to spine. Number one, any is damage. Okay, so okay, here any pain here is okay. 4, 5.
I don't feel pain. I feel cold. A little bit warm. I feel sore.
A little sore.
Yeah.
Here 4, 5.
3.
So one extra. Do the adjustment. Okay. Yeah, one more time. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Turn sideways, face me. Be careful, the circle will get stuck. Okay. So turn sideways. Yeah, face me. Yeah.
Face you.
Sideways first.
Side. Okay.
Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Your body will be close to the table. Okay. Good. Okay. Make sure relax. Okay. Good. Okay. Grab the elbow easier. Elbow.
This.
Okay. Relax. Okay. Good. Perfect. Okay. Your lower back tight. Okay. First half.
Oh.
Okay. Is it better? Right? It feel better? Much better.
Yeah, it's much better.
Better, right? All this like more range of motion, better.
Yeah,
Feel better.
Yeah, I feel like especially here, you know.
Oh.
It's really good.
Okay. Good.